Here's a heartbreaking report on the type of people that are continuing to be deported. U.S. Army veteran who served 2 tours in Afghanistan has been deported to Mexico. Jeez, man. So they say a U.S. Army veteran who served 2 tours in Afghanistan has been deported to Mexico, U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement said. The deportation follows an earlier decision by U.S. authorities to deny Miguel Perez's citizenship application because of a felony drug conviction, despite his service and the PTSD he says it caused. Perez, 39, was escorted across the U.S.-Mexico border from Texas and handed over to Mexican authorities Friday, ICE said in a statement. Perez, his family, and supporters, who include Senator Tammy Duckworth of Illinois, had argued that his wartime service to the country had earned him the right to stay in the United States and to receive mental health treatment for the PTSD and substance abuse. So he was brought into this country when he was 8 years old. Brought into this country at 8 years old, did 2 tours in Afghanistan, comes back, has PTSD, was caught with a significant amount of cocaine. He was probably selling it. Felony conviction over that, but he gets deported. Listen, first and foremost, end the drug war. It's stupid to lock people up because they're selling a substance that allows people to change their consciousness, or they're taking a substance that allows people to change their consciousness. That's not a criminal issue. You're doing something to your own body. Okay? That's called freedom. So that shouldn't be illegal in the first place. So number one, end the drug war. Number two, how is it not already a law that if you served in the military, you're a U.S. citizen? So you're allowed to go fight and potentially die for the United States in the U.S. military, and they could still just say, yeah, so you laid your life on the line for the country, but the country's going to say, fuck off to you. I can't fathom that that's not already a law, but apparently it's not, and it should be a law. So that's, oh man. And you know what you're doing here, by the way? You're disincentivizing people from joining the military, or at least people who were dreamers, if you will. I guess if he was brought here at 8 years old, he's a dreamer. He's got to be, right? I would think he is a dreamer, or maybe because he's too. Maybe the time frame doesn't match up. But either way, that should be a law. And the fact that that's not a law is fucking mind-boggling, and you're disincentivizing people from joining the military, and it's also cold-hearted and immoral and unethical. And if you don't see that, wow, is your moral compass fucked up?